This was a great pass. President. Pa. Now, Usha first time. Maybe he could have passed the ball. The ball comes from the right. You are in the middle. The ball is telling you, take me to the left. Take me to the left. We are still looking this. You have smart players. Communication. Communication. How communicate if or in the relationship? Even in football, you communicate. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Richards Bay 2, Orlando Pirates 2. A great game to watch, right? I watched this game 3 times, guys. 3 times. And normally, like I wanted to blame the coach, the Pirates, or the Pirates players. But after watching it, it was 3. Then I realized, we have to give credit to Richards Bay, right? They had a game plan, and their game plan was simple. Remember, the ground is small and the pitch ayikho mnandi. Now let's start. Right? Their game plan. Every time when they the Pirates hit the ball at the back, this striker, is starting information. Pirates normally the 4-2-3-1, right? Richards Bay were playing a 4-5-1. There are 3 midfielders, 3 central midfielders in the middle. They were very aggressive in the middle. I'll show you that. Now let's start. Every time when Pirates hit the ball, the striker didn't press UCM, right? What he did was to try and cut off the pass with Ingabuyila. What Pirates failed to do in this game was to do this, right? Always pass the ball here. I need to go vulegile. Even if the ball legal goal keep. If the striker who's in one direction, you pass the ball in the middle, then Ulbuisela on the side. Very aggressive. This was the first minute of the game. These guys showed Guti they wanted to win the game. Both teams could have won the game, right? Umbata easily make a pass here. Make a pass. Once far under pressure. These guys were aggressive the whole game. Keep watching. Ngizokubonisa. Maybe as Booz Guti, why did Richards Bay, right, press UCM instead of Usibisi? You must know Guti, Pirates, UCM can play the ball diagonally to the left back or the left wing. Watch this guy over this angle. No one come. Unemtangela is too late, right? He doesn't make the run early. He could have made the run early, but no, it's too late. They pass the ball there. Now look what happens. They knew Uguti their left hand side. The left hand side, the Pirates, right? It's not comfortable on the ball. Normally, teams they prefer to have a left center back, a left-footed center back, right? With Magazol Trappy ball, he can play it with his left foot, Pambi. But because he's right-footed, he'll always want to pass. He'll always want to make a short pass. Some of you maybe with Pirates had the chance to score early. Had they scored that goal, the game would have changed, right? The game would have changed. Always take your chances. Always take your chances. Now, look at Umbutum. Uyakhala. Why is he calling? Why are you calling, boy? Because he could have passed him the ball. This was a great pass. President. Now, Usha first time. Maybe he could have passed the ball. I always say, Nyazi guys, pass to someone who's in a better scoring position. But yes, maybe this was a difficult pass to make. Yeah? But he tried to score. Why don't you trap the ball again? Why don't you trap the ball? Trap and shoot. Trap and shoot. Back to the game plan, Richards Bay. It was simple. Simple. Watch this guy. Same thing. Now, Mbatha, he comes in, they play. They fail to do this isikhathi eside, right? You don't rush izinto. Rotate the ball. Rotate the ball. Problem is the left hand side. Now watch, the ball is gonna go back. You see this guy, he doesn't press uCM up. He doesn't. What he does, uzopress up. Uyamvalela space. Now look what happens. Pirates loses the ball. Simple. What Pirates failed to do was to recognize his space in the middle. Most of the time, before Pirates changed their players, right? There's where they moved, where police moved to number 10, moved to the left hand side. Before that, where police had a lot of space, but they just couldn't recognize this space. Even though it was difficult, Richards Bay made it difficult for one because of the three midfielders, right? Now, same thing here. Uzol Pasala, right? Okay, sharp. It continues. Now look at Police. We won, right? We won. We could have turned here. Okay, sharp. Siyadlala. Now here, Nomfukeng here, he's not making a run laba zokhona ukumphasa khona, because Nyamaza umatatazela naye uneyinkinga zakhe, right? But Police wenzani? We won. End up doing what? Playing the ball there. But there was a Martin. Too many times where they didn't spot Police in the middle. I won. Goal number 1, goal Richards Bay. Beautiful goal. But let's start here. I always say, don't make a mistake alandelanayo, right? Sipho Chain hit the ball. He decides ukwenzani ukulikhahlela long. I-pitch, the ground incane, right? Ground incane. That was mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, we let them come out from the back. Baphumile. What happens? It's a foul. Mistake number 3. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships. People who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand. Or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Bafet times are tough, we live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join, please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Now here comes the free kick. Mistake number 4. Bamshaya ngem yadliwa lokhu kini. I always say, don't make a mistake alandelanayo. Pirates made 4 mistakes in this goal. The 4th one, no communication. uCM doesn't know ukuthi ubani osemuva kwakhe. There was no one. Why bangamtshelanga ukuthi aliyeke ibhola, right? But as a defender, you should know ukuthi who is around you. As a defender, you should know ukuthi who is around you. Ubani ophambi kwakho, ubani osemuva. La uyenzani? He puts the ball back. Why angalifikanga ke for a corner kick? Why angalifikanga for a corner kick? Or alfikelele, he decides to do what? put the ball back into play for in. Pa Pagat inside. Earlier on, I spoke about Richards Bay having 3 midfielders, right? 2-8 and 1-6. Angit. Now let me come this side. They made it difficult for Pirates, right? This guy was the winger. This is the one midfielder. They want to play Ibola inside. Angit, Pirates, sharp. Look how these guys were aggressive. It's not like Pirates didn't try, guys. It's not like Pirates didn't try. But having 3 midfielders, 1, 2, 3, it was very difficult. And this guy and this one, bam, they can bite. What can I say? Very difficult. Bam. They have speed, and when you have midfielders with speed, it's easy for them to cover space, to cover the ground. Another example. Watch. Look, we foul a Pirates, ball goes there. I always say, rotate the ball. Ibola must always touch. Pa. Counter attack. Decision making or the passing was poor. There's someone who asked me, I think Rory. I just forgot to go to ban, right? They asked me in my comments, what's the difference between a counter attack and a break attack, right? If let's say Richards Bay wins the ball here in the middle, right? Let's say in the example, if Richards Bay wins the ball here in the middle, it's called break attack. In this half, I need to that this is their half, this is Pirates half. If Richards Bay wins the ball here, it is break attack. If they win the ball in this half, it's called a counter attack. I said we must give Richards Bay credit, right? Because they did well. They had a good game plan. But the Pirates now, on the other hand, no, they made things now very difficult, right? Simple things, Bafet. Pass the ball here. You want to play the ball there? Man. Serious, Bafet. You keep it simple here. You don't try difficult things. Yeah? Pass each other. Play. Now, right? If this guy presses, we play the right back. But Umbata wants to play a difficult pass. He wants to play here. Sometimes you must not force issues. Sky force them, keep it simple. Kiss. In football, guys, you need smart players. You need smart players, but the problem, Nasho before Uguti, you have Pirates has 3 players that are very good. Mabadlale Saiti, right? Umuremi, Mabadlale Saiti on the left. Umuremi Mfukeng, no Apolis. Now, what normally happens when the going gets tough, all those players, also Funugia Saiti, they are comfortable bulo, right? Mfukeng now has developed playing on the right hand side. That's when he started to move on the right hand side. Yeah? Someone has to sacrifice. And eventually in the game, Umuremi was sacrificed. He went to the right hand side, and he's not good on the right hand side, right? He's not effective on the right hand side. Now, the president. Now, Mfukeng was on the right, Now, Usibelebele, let me take it back. Watch Usibelebele. Usibelebele, he's a winger, He's a winger. He's not comfortable playing as a half 10. So, okay, I'll show you. But here, the ball comes from the right. You are in the middle. The ball is telling you, take me to the left. Take me to the left. We are still looking this side. For in, because we're dwelling up. There's 2 players here. Eh? Maramren, I'm fanagita, Bafet. Chap. Rotate the ball. The ball must always touch here. Yeah. Could have done better. Unlucky. Right? But this is when the good players or the smart players as a Pirate started to switch armor position because it was crowded in the middle, so they had to do something different. Now in the 36th minute or 35th, right, Umuremi switched to the right hand side. He's not effective on the right hand side, especially in a small pitch, in a bad pitch, right? He's not effective. Now he did one thing that was good throughout the game, playing on the right hand side. Tingati, the only thing that was good, but he created something out of nothing. When he's playing on the right hand side, he'll always tuck in, and it's not a good thing, because these guys were packed. So this is what he did. The keeper was lucky there. The keeper was lucky. And he connected Gahe. Imagine that this space. Look where the keeper is. Look where the keeper is. Yeah? Very lucky, my man. When you play Muremi on the right hand side, Yamlimaza. Wamulimaza. Watch. This is the Uzoyenza saw the whole game. So when the ball comes that side, then it means the guys on the left hand side, they have to create something. For the past 2 or 3 weeks, I've been talking about ball rotation. Rotate the ball. Ibhola kwamele lithinte umuntu oku-touchline. Umuntu oku-touchline kumele simnikeze, whether he's right-footed or left-footed, kwamele simnikeze. Now, like I said, when Umuremi is on the right-hand side, he's not creative. Why forced the hoto? Why forced, man? Rotate the ball. Sky forced, I'm gonna get. Now, keep it simple. Pass. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Ball comes to the right. Now, Muremi, uzotaka in very sharp. You keep the ball. Rotate the ball. Hoto, move out wide, so that you can open up his space la. It agavuli kakhulu. Okay, sharp. You have smart players. Communication. Communication. How communicative fella mjolong or in the relationship. Even in football, you communicate. If you rotate the ball, if the ball goes to the left, it comes back to the right. The space is for us to play. Pirates didn't do that enough in this game. That's one of the reasons they didn't win the game. Now watch this guy. Ball watching. Ball watching. You're strolling, Panagit. Watch. Yadlalwa wena umile. Unemthanjela uyakhala, but you can see ukuthi azange amtshela ukuthi liyeke ibhola. Second half, we still saw beautiful goals, right? Richards Bay, they need to improve Mabaya counter attack, decision making is poor. I'm going to show you, right? Now let's start with the Pirates. Rotate the ball. The ball must come to the left touch line. Touch. Mpanagit. Scattered into the man. You are not delicious. Hey, these two. Watch. Keep it simple. Ball on the left must go to the right. Now watch. These two guys, when you play Usibelebele as a half 10, wamulaya then I'm trying to get wamulaya. Now sharp. Touches on the right hand side, comes back. Now you look at Ubans. Like, this guy is not dangerous. Why are you focusing on Uhoto here instead of coming back and helping here it defends. Okay, sharp. Continue. Ball is on the left man. Ta. Pagat inside. Because why? The ball started on the left, it went on the right, then it came back. Whoopie on the left hand side. What happened? Kuvuleki space. Let me show you. Kuvuleki space because ibola liya rotate. Ibola liya rotate. Rotation. Now watch. Look at the left back. The ball is moving. He's walking. He's in the park. He's walking. He's in the park. Sharp. Now watch this. Look at the space in between this guy and this guy. Space between this guy and this guy. Ukhona bani? Police. Uyi-1. Free. Cross. Yes, center back could have done better. But the left back, your job is to cover your center back. Mara, what were you doing? You were strolling. You were strolling. No. You need to cover. And the good thing about this, rotate the ball. You'll always find space if you rotate ibola. Ibola mele lithinte ka right, libuye futhi lithinte ka left, libuye lize ngapha. Called Richards Bay. There's always a warning. Always, most of the time, there's a warning before the goal comes, and I don't think most people saw it. TC Kalela, Richards Bay. Da, 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 da. Now, what was this guy doing? Because now the fans, Bashayama Flake, now you want to score from here, and you're not even set up correctly. Petro sugar rush, sugar. You are giving the ball away for E. Okay, sharp. We get the ball back. Pirates here sneakers. Now watch. I said there was a what? There was a warning before the goal. Da. Nemtajela wenzani? He saves us. Utleri ball. Okay, no, uwini ball lapaya. Ball comes back. Same minute. Ball comes back. Ba. Inside. There was a warning. Guti. La in the middle. Asimanga kahle. But azange simamele leyo warning. Pagat inside. Decision making. Richards Bay. It was poor in this game. Now, this is a counter attack. Bafethu. What kind of a pass is that? Like, what kind of a pass is that? What kind of a pass is this? Yeah. Put power, Mfanagiti. Another one. But before I show you the next one, what Richards Bay did, they told Ubans to cheat. He wasn't dropping Azomagala. They told him to cheat. I don't know if you watched the game, but he was cheating. Watch. We won Mfanagiti. Trepi pola kahle. Umar mfana. Richards Bay could have done better here. They could have done better here. That's why they need to practice counter attack. Counter attack is poor. It's poor. You have the ball here. You should tuck in. If the best way to counter attack a team, the ball must be in the middle. If the ball is in the middle, you have two options. But now he's here. He doesn't really have two options because Uza saw. Imagine had he cut in, then this guy moves in here. Ufaga UCBC in a deep problem. But this was simple. Maybe he could have played the ball there. But decision making, training, faith. Isn't the less thing training. So another one. Pa, uBounce is all alone, right? First touch, second touch, mfana kithi. Mfana kithi. 3 chances. 3. Last clip, last goal. Beautiful last goal. Ngizoyidlala and then I'll bring it back. Ngicala la ku throw in vele, right? I'm gonna bring it back. Ta. Boom. Cracker. Beautiful goal. This game we saw beautiful goals, Buffett. Beautiful goals. Now, ngicala ku throw in. It throw in. There is 5 players as a Richards Bay. 5 players for in. At least if there was 4, only one as a cover. But you have 5 players. 5. Yeah, sharp. Tito does well here just to keep the ball. I need to rotate the ball. Now, if this guy is the striker. If this guy can recognize good, there is danger here, and then the right back here also recognizes good, there is danger coming. How come they couldn't recognize the danger? Smell the danger? Yeah? He pushes. Now this guy, what does he do? He pushes Uzala. But these ones here, Basamile. Bah. Too late. But you can't really blame them. They thought Utili Zobuya is a cross. The marking yabo kahle being a right. But it was a good game after all. Sorry mapagania ngiyazi inhliziyo zibuhlungu. But don't forget to subscribe. Even if inhliziyo ibuhlungu, just press. Who knows? Maybe it's over right. Just subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.